Hello, I'm Jochen Bihl from Bihl+Wiedemann in Mannheim, Germany. We are specialized in automation and safety technology using ASI interface. Today I would like to introduce our new active distributors with integrated ASI chip. What are distributors for? They transport ASI into the entire system. Additionally, they make it possible to easily connect a wide range of standard sensors and actuators to ASI. To connect ASI sensors and ASI actuators, you only need passive distributors. Sensors and actuators without an integrated ASI chip require the use of active distributors. This is because active distributors with their ASI chip make any kind of sensor and actuator bus capable. Our new active distributors have a completely new housing design, enabling them to process up to 8 signals. And there are even more variations, each with a perfectly pre-assembled cable and connector combination. Here are just a few examples. This is an ASI safety active distributor with an 8-pin M12 connector. It is compatible with many different interlocks. Here we have a version with 4 outputs and connection leads. And this active distributor has 4 inputs, 4 outputs and 4 M8 connectors. Installation with ASI is simple, efficient and flexible. Not least thanks to our active and passive distributors. Thank you very much.